Whipping up the babies, got the pot.
May.
Good evening, good afternoon. Welcome everybody to another video with your average biker. So I'll just talk about a recap of the weekend. Friday evening was not that eventful. Got home, took the bike out actually for a bit, not a lot, just a quick drive around. Got some footage there, not too much, not a lot of talking, just cruising around. Saturday didn't really do much either. I washed the bike on Saturday, made it all nice and sparkly clean. In preparations for Sunday's race infos, Fitrela. Now, into bed early Saturday night, Sunday come around, we're up at like 7. And we get done, we make our way through to the meet points. Quite a big turnout. Like there was solid number of bikes there. Nothing smaller than a 750, I believe. I think there was one GSX 600F driven by an older gentleman. Shit ton of badges on his cuts. But other than that, it was mainly S1000s, Gixxer 1000s, Gixxer 750s. ZX14s, yeah, a bunch of big bikes, and yeah, so we leave the meetup point, we head out onto the N2 to the engine garage on the N2, where we meet up with, what's his name, where we meet up with the other guys. And the whole point of Fritaran is to go to a mosque and give donations, right? Which is exactly what they did. Race info the Saturday packed, I believe it was 110 parcels of food and stuff to give as donations, which we then gave out on Sunday. So from the N2 engine, we drive all the way to the mosque in Strand, where we drop it off. Where we drop off the stuff. And then from there, we all just go home. Now, wifey and I, we went and had breakfast in Northwest Strand, just at the Wimpy. So we drove from one side of Cape Town to the other that morning. By the time we got home, we were dead. Tired, just, yeah, dead. I actually did end up getting that bike I spoke about on Friday. And it is currently with me. No plans with it as of yet. Have not looked it through. It's exactly what I thought it was going to be in the condition it was going to be. It's going to take a lot of work. And yeah, a lot of work. So let's see what we'll do with it. I honestly have no idea. We'll see as time comes.